Here's my other take. This is that Fostex thing. It's like $100 delivered for your iPhone. Basically, it's a thing you set your iPhone in, and it's simple as can be, and the sound will be better. I'm just trying to wing it here. I'm telling you, it's worth $100. I didn't say it was recording material, but for $100, everyone has an iPhone, your sound's going to sound better. I'm going to try to do a little video with it and without it. These strings are shot on this guitar too. Now, I'll try to do it without the mic. The $100 deal. I don't know the name of it. It's $100 bucks. That's all you need to know. Now, I think it's still recording with the iPhone microphone. That's my take for society today.